Um, Under electrical, the panel box has a knockout missing that needs to be covered so that no one can put their hand in there. The panel box is a 150 amp box, all copper, all breakers. All the outlets in the house did work, did function, checked every one of them. Under plumbing, your main shutoff is at the back side of the water softener. All the pipes are copper. The hall bathroom, the toilet, the shutoff handle doesn't turn. The sink, the connection supply line to the faucet is leaking, and the tub checked out okay. The master bathroom, the toilet, tank, the bowl, the two support screws are leaking. I tightened them up some, but they need to be either replaced or tightened up more. The sink has low water pressure on the hot side only. Just that bathroom, nowhere else. Could be something to do with the shutoff valve. May not be opening all the way. The shower, the drain has a buildup of, looks like mineral deposit, or it could be mortar, and the hole needs to be opened up more down further. It does drain right now though. Appliances, the range checked out okay. The garbage disposal has some rust on the spindle plate. Refrigerator was okay. The dishwasher is loose in the cabinet, needs to be secured to the cabinet or countertop. You have a tankless water heater, it did work. Microwave checked out okay. Water softener has no salt, it was unplugged. I plugged it in, programmed it, it did run, just needs salt. Washer and dryer did check out okay. You should have anti-burst hose installed for the water supply to it. And the dryer vent is a plastic flex tubing. They really recommend a solid tubing system. Air conditioning is dated 1998. It's a Carrier. The downstairs condensing unit is a 2-ton heat pump. The fins are deteriorated due to the salt air and everything. That's a normal thing that happens down here on the water. The dryer tank and the casing in the grill has some rust on it. That's normal. The compressor has a cover over it, so I can't check that. The fan speed seems to be low. Some of these have multi-speeds. They may have it set on the wrong speed. It did cool in the house. The heat cycle did work. It's a heat pump. The air handler is in the hall closet. Has 2 filters, one at the wall, one underneath the unit. The evaporator coils have some dirt on them. That's normal. The evaporator coil framing has rust on it. That's normal. The blower area has some dirt on it. That should be cleaned off. The inspection panel, the insulation on the inside is being sucked into the blower. That needs to be resecured. It seems like it has low airflow in the house. I'm going to recommend servicing of the AC. Maybe they can adjust the speeds and everything. Structurally, the building is concrete block, stucco and painted. In the living room, south wall, I pulled the carpet back some, and the way they built this, looks like it has around the walls is about a 2-foot slab, and then they poured inside of it. And there's a crack where where the 2 joints come together. Now the neighbor downstairs, the ceiling of his unit in the same area has dropped a hair and has cracked, but I don't see no problem up here with yours. back of the living room, the ceiling has some water stains, probably from the balcony above. Wind-driven rain could be getting into the outlet up there, or could be getting into the where the wall and the floor connects. Other than that, structurally it's solid. The fireplace, I looked up inside the stack. It looks clean, has a little bit of soot. It's a wood burner, and the way and so you need to burn wood in it. Windows and doors, they all open and close. I've got some fogging in the back living room window. The French doors, top lock pin assembly is missing. And all the screens and patio screen door for the bedroom is in the garage. And there'll be just a general notation that we didn't look at the seawall or the dock, but the seawall cap has what they call a spalling condition. That's when the rebar has gotten wet and the rebar starts to expand, causing rust to expand, to cause the concrete to crack. Check with the association on what they have planned for that. That's it.
Thank you.
We got it.